both made in China and German Industry 4.0, are driving the transformation and upgrade of global industrial manufacturing. The Sino-German Intelligence Manufacture Research Institute (SGIMRI), a state-supported organization which seeks to deepen the development of intelligent manufacturing, works with MiR AMRs, autonomous mobile robots, to facilitate flexible production and create a more intelligent internal logistics process. 6 MiR100 robots will operate at SGIMRI's demonstration center and trading center. After conducting basic tests and MiR preliminary training, we decided to use 6 MiR100 robots for demonstration and training purposes. MiR robots are safe, flexible, easy to use, and offer many other advantages. Flexible production solutions are mainly reflected in the flexibility that mobile solutions provide. At the demonstration and training centers of SGIMRI, 6 MiR100 robots compare with CNC machining without requiring a rigid connection between stations or laying fixed track in advance. Embedded in industrial mobile collaborative sorting system, the MiR robots demonstrate product loading and unloading, transfer and transportation. The actual loading and unloading of machine tools requires mobile systems to operate using precise positioning, and MiR100 robots meet these mobile transportation requirements with excellent stability and agility. The layout of the entire production line is more flexible, and the processing routes are more diversified. The user-friendly interface makes programming easier. The demonstration center and training center provide external displays of intelligent manufacturing solutions and technical training for personnel due to the high volume of expected visitors, as well as the need for human-machine collaboration at the same place. Ensuring safety is a critical part of our optimized intralogistics solutions. The safety features of the MiR plus UR cobot help provide display and training process that are safe. At the training center, the MiR100 robot works closely with the UR arm to smoothly complete loading and unloading tasks and material transportation at each station. The MiR and UR collaborative robot solution is highly flexible and location and workplace independent, improving adaptability and efficiency. The cobot operates safely during collaboration and can work smoothly with workers in dynamic environment. MiR robots operate using a multi-sensor system that helps guarantee safety. We experienced its mobile operation on site and were highly impressed. To promote intelligent manufacturing in Jiangsu province and throughout China to meet the growing demand for flexible production, solutions must be adaptable. The MiR plus UR cobot are highly adaptable to be efficiently embedded into the existing system, enabling our solutions to be more intelligent and interconnected.